Hello! To install Homefront 1 graphics mod that improves its graphics and everything, you can see right here the difference. There's more difference right there, and there's also great lighting. So this mod can be installed quite easily. You'll have to right click, run setup as administrator, press yes, and then wait, press next, agree, browse, and head over to the folder where your game is installed. Now mine is installed here, all the way over here. Now make sure it is the directory, not the binaries folder or anything, just the Homefront folder. Make sure there is a folder called binary in there. So this is the exact directory of the game, Homefront. So press OK, press next, and press install. And while we're installing, I'm gonna head over to document folder. I'm gonna look for my games folder, which is the universal folder for all the Homefront game save games and other datas. I'm gonna go to Homefront folder, go to GC game config, and I'm gonna open up gcengine.ini. Here control F and search for D3D. Down here, make sure it is false. A lot of time it is set to true. It is not a good idea because it's gonna conflict with the modification. So make sure it is false, so that everything works out just fine. Next, press finish. Now we'll go here and we'll find this mod launcher over here, or you can just go to game folder. For example, I'm going to go to the game folder right now, and then I'm going to head over to binaries, and I have this here. Right click, run as administrator, and it's going to run.